In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cashtag. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. Up at the top, you have your cash balance, you have savings, Bitcoin, stocks, even paychecks can be sent here, and you can do your taxes. There's also a card where you can spend your balance, and you can do peer-to-peer payments to your friends or family. If I tap on the icon in the top right corner, it's going to show my Cashtag right here. Mine is 100 Charizards. So when people go to make a payment, they can type in my Cashtag up here at the top. I won't come up because it's my name. It's funny that there's someone trying to copy me, but like you can see these people's Cashtags right here. So you basically use this Cashtag to pay your friends or family. So tap on our icon. In order to edit our Cashtag, you want to tap on Edit Profile. Then you can scroll down to Cashtag and tap on that. And from here, you can type in a new Cashtag or a new name that you want to go by, and then just tap set, and that will change your Cashtag. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.